friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. It is 6 o'clock at night as I'm filming this. I got home from work. It was a stressful day. Let's open a Wantable. And we are enjoying a pink drink. It is the Valentine's Day Wantable style edit. So nice little pink drink, nice little Valentine's colors. We're gonna open her up. In case you're curious, vodka, Sprite, sugar-free French vanilla, and sugar-free raspberry syrups. It's delish. Well, it's okay. All right, let's open her up. We have our trusty rusty screwdriver. Here we go. And did I just spill a little pink drink on my shirt? Yeah, I did. It's fine. You know, it's just the tip of the iceberg, cherry on top, whatever it is they say when, you know, it's just been a day. It's been a day. But I'm excited for this Valentine's Day edit. It is thick. Let's move all our stuff out of the way. We'll put her right over there. Get her out of the way. Dump her out. What are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? It's on a Wednesday this year. So, not doing anything. But here we have our bundle. Let's see. Ooh, that's a nice looking side. Got a side there too. She thick. All right, here we go. And Valentine's Day. So expect, you know, pink threads you saw in the bundle. Here we go. We will read our note. Hi Rachel, based on your style, I put together a mix of comfy, cute pieces and a free panty set. So yeah, for this one I had a free panty set, which Wantable has like a sleep and lounge edit, so you'd think that would be for that, but a free panty set that are perfect for cozying up, chilling out, and celebrating Valentine's Day in low-key fashion. Let's just say I have a hunch you'll love how you look. That's what it says. I noticed you were looking for less expensive pieces. Always. So I sent some budget-friendly items that don't compromise on style or quality. Hang on, I gotta clear my throat. I choked. I also made sure to include some of the pieces you requested from the stream, along with a few other fun surprises. Hope you'll find something worth keeping this time. Enjoy, Jessa, Stylist. That drink's making me warm, I'm not gonna lie. All right, they send you the mailer to send back the things you do not want to keep. If you haven't tried Wantable before, I have a referral link down below if you'd like to try it. It might waive your styling fee. I can't remember what it does exactly, but it does give me credit if you use it. So I do appreciate it when you do. Here is some jewelry. Let's see, native gem. Oh, those are pretty. They're like little dainty hoops. They're very dainty. They have some like colored rhinestones, it looks like. Those are pretty. So if all else fails, they're pretty. They're like little double hoops. Very pretty. I don't have anything like it, that's for sure. And we have a black top. I think I requested this one on the stream. See where I spilled? So it's a V-neck black top. And then it has kind of like open crochet-y, you know, I don't know what it is, but it's open. It's got holes. It's cute. V-neck, keyhole in the back. It's cute. I don't know. Ooh, this one is a little pink sweatshirt. It says, "That's amor." Not amore, but amor. Amor. Love. It's very, 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 very soft. Sweatshirt. Stretchy. It's nice. I just got home from work. Pardon my, I don't know. I feel like I look different. I look weird. I don't know. And we have, ooh, another kind of sweater. Oh, she's cropped and bulky, and I like her. NYC in like light gray and navy lettering. I know what it is. It's because it's dark outside and the lighting's weird, but you guys don't care. It's okay. And also, you guys, my husband surprised me with carpet for the upstairs this week in all the bedrooms, in the hallway. My future walk-in closet is right there off the bathroom. He surprised me. I came home last week and yeah, it was there and it was wild and crazy and he's so sneaky. Anyway, that's why the lighting's weird too. And then we have a, ooh, this she's cute. A red top, crew neck, and then the sleeves are a Swiss dot, but they're sheer. And then they have the cuff right there of like the bodice material. That's cute. I like her. And then we have two pairs of jeans. We have by Democracy. I do like Democracy. Oh. They're very wide-legged. Very wide-legged, no distressing. Very interesting. We'll go over the names of the jeans and everything at the end. And then we have another pair by Risen Jeans. And they do have distressing. The other ones look cropped too. There's distressing at the knee, and at the knee, and on the butt ick. So yeah. Alright. Let's try everything on. Okay, here's the first outfit. Here's my future walk-in closet. You guys, these are the highest rise jeans I think I've ever had on in my life. Okay, objectively, cute outfit, casual, you know, nice little weekend look. I think this is really cute. I like the crop of it. Look how high these jeans are. Okay, here's the bottom of, you know, my bosom. That's all. It's so high. They're so high. I mean, like, the zipper is from here to here. That's more than my hand. They're so high. So for that reason alone, I think I can't keep them. They're that high. They should be like, this is where my waist is, okay? But they're like way up here. Like here's with my tank top. They're so high. If you like really high-waisted, these are for you. But yeah, I think this is an objectively cute outfit. This little sweater is probably like, what? I don't even know. She did say she was trying to keep the prices lower, but we'll see. But I'm guessing it's $68. But it is cute. It's a cute outfit. Let's do more. Here's the length of the jeans, by the way, if you wanted to see. They're good length. Skinny. They're like a skinny. You could probably cuff them and they'd be cute too. But they're just too high. They're just too high. And if you're wondering why I have the camera pointed this way, we have to put the door back on. So it's like, I don't think you want to see inside that room. Here's the other sweater. So this is like another like casual, you know, Valentine's-y pink sweater. It's soft. It's cash. It's alright. I do like the fit of the NYC one better because it was like more kind of cropped and, you know, like if it were like that, I think I'd like it more. Kind of like that. But alas, no. Let's do more. Okay, so this one would be cute, this top, if this had any stretch. Alas, it does not. And it just, woo, pancakes you. So the shirt's a no. If it had stretch or it was like a size bigger, because this is a large, so and I think I've put in my notes that when it's like a non-stretchy material to size up, but otherwise it's pretty cute. Here's the length if you were to want for yourself, but I wear it tucked in anyway. But I don't know, I kind of like these jeans. Let me put on the red shirt, maybe that'll be better. To show these jeans because they're something completely different that I don't have anything of because they're wide leg, but let's put the red shirt on with them. Okay, here it is with the red shirt. Red shirt, much better than the black shirt. This is stretchy, it fits. The length of it goes down to like here, but I would wear it tucked in. I don't know, what do you guys think about these jeans? This shirt's really cute, it's really nice. What do you think about these jeans? Let's scroll on down, okay? They're wide leg, which I know maybe it's been around so long already that it's out again, but I don't know. They're kind of cute. They're Democracy, which I do like Democracy. If you've watched my short story video, I kept that black pair from them, like second box or something. They're wide leg. I don't know. They're wide leg, but they're like not super wide at the bottom. Like they don't flare. What do you guys think? And they kind of have like pleating, like right here. And like, I don't know. They're kind of cute. We'll see if I like them with the price. And then the red shirt's cute too. I like the Swiss dot. I think that's nice. Even if like, you know, I was wearing it to work or something, I think it's cute. Okay, that's it. That's everything. Here's the free panties. I'm not obviously gonna try those on. So, alright, let's go over prices and see how much these are. They're probably expensive. And see what I'm gonna keep. Prices! Here we go. You guys. Okay. The Absolution Skyrise Roundup Barrel Leg Pant in blue by Democracy. So the last jeans I had on, originally $88. It's on sale for $44. You guys, I think I gotta keep them, right? Oh God, okay. The Evil Twin, it's called Evil Twin Huggy in Turquoise, 14 karat gold vermeil. So I don't know if that's really, is it real gold or is it just like gold plated? By Native Gem, $58. $58 for these. They're pretty. Let's see what it says on the back. It doesn't say anything on the back about, just says care instructions. They are pretty. See if they say 14 karat gold anywhere on them. Must be real turquoise too. Yeah, they are pretty, but not $58 pretty. Long sleeve V-neck woven top with contrast sleeves by Lush. That's the black top that didn't fit, $59. The 3/4 sleeve knit body Swiss dot sleeve top in red, size large, $54 for that top. The Amore Hasi Graphic Crew in Sangria, size large by 78 and Sunny, $69. The Sienna NYC sweater in Heather Gray, size large by Z Supply, $59. And the other pair of jeans was on sale too. The High Rise Distress Skinny in Light Wash by Risen Jeans was on sale for $42. So the whole box, $385. If you keep 5 or more, you get $77 off. That's a 20% discount. My styling fee credit was $21.20, and then I did have $20 credit from Wantable as well. Plus the sales tax, the whole box would be $285.28. As it is, I think I'm going to, since I have $20 credit and $21.20 in my styling fee that I've already paid, I think I'm going to keep these jeans and try this style since, you know, it's basically costing me like $20, my styling fee, to keep them. I think that's a good way to like try out this style to see if I like it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna branch out and I'm gonna get these barrel leg pant. Barrel leg by Democracy. You guys, happy Valentine's Day. Let me know in the comments below if you guys do anything. My husband and I, we don't really do anything. His birthday is in February, so we don't really do anything for Valentine's Day. We might get each other like, you know, a little candy or something. But yeah, let me know below what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. If you made it this far in the video, comment a rose or like a bouquet, something like that, you know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.